Every morning, 164 million Americans wake up, commute, and trade their time for a corporate paycheck. It is a massive, synchronized routine. Over an average lifetime, that trade demands 90,000 hours of labor. Yet, across that vast stretch of time, finding a true path to escape starts by stripping away societal expectations and lifestyle inflation to find an unvarnished baseline of survival. By calculating median necessities, $1,200 for rent and $400 for food, we establish a survival baseline of $2,600 per month. Because a baseline is vulnerable, we extend it into a financial runway. Applying a 4-month multiplier creates a $10,400 buffer of safety against zero-income scenarios. Securing this $10,400 threshold provides a 4-month window to pivot or find new work, replacing the immediate threat of a missed paycheck with a measurable safety margin. While a buffer provides time, long-term security requires moving away from the fragility of a single corporate salary toward decentralized income. IRS data suggests that the average millionaire relies on 7 independent revenue sources. This distribution ensures that the loss of one stream doesn't collapse the entire structure. The modern $250 billion creator economy and the rise of digital products allow individuals to build these independent streams without significant upfront capital. Making this independence permanent relies on one additional calculation, the 4% rule. This formula illustrates the target. Multiplying an annualized survival baseline of $31,200 by 25 establishes a target nest egg of $780,000. At this level, an individual can safely draw down that baseline indefinitely. Historical market growth replaces the withdrawn funds, even when accounting for inflation. Combining diversified active income with the 4% rule provides the structural independence to exit traditional employment and manage your own time. In a landscape where the top 1% controls 38.7% of national wealth, traditional richness is a statistical improbability for most. The objective of this approach is the systematic reclamation of time and personal autonomy. Executing this math demonstrates that escaping the daily grind is a viable option for those who plan, rather than a fantasy reserved for lottery winners. The combination of a survival baseline, a financial runway, a diversified income, and the 4% rule provides a clear path out of the 90,000-hour work trap. Transitioning out of the traditional workforce without financial ruin relies on these calculated steps. You don't have to go broke, you just have to plan.